5 Best User Reviews of the Gamenote RGB Headphone Stand and Power Strip 2-in-1 Desk Gaming Headset Holder with 3 USB charging ports and 3 power outlets. Earphone hanger accessories for desktop gamer. Combine headphone stand and power strip to one device, provide you more function, conveniently store your not-in-use headphones, power your devices and organize your desk space. Real users share their experience. Number 5. Love this for my work from home, cat. 5-star. I got this for a gaming headset I purchased when I got assigned to work from home. It keeps my desk neat and I plugged my lamp into it, so instead of reaching up under the shade to click on and off, I just tap that black button. Have my phone and Kindle charger in the USB ports too, cat. Number 1, arrived in unusable condition. J. Cooper. 5-star. When I unboxed and hooked up the stand, it made a clicking noise and flashed the LED lights. I tried unplugging and using another outlet and the stand still didn't power up/charge anything. J. Cooper. Number 4. My gamer kids love them. Hawkeye 666. 4-star. My kids love these, RGB colors are their thing. Seems pretty sturdy and the power and USB outlets are a huge plus. Hawkeye 666. Number 3. Serves its purpose but a bit overpriced, Amazon customer. 3-star. It's basically a desktop power strip with a plastic stick on it. You can get the same power block for $15 and a headset stand for less than $10. So you're paying till to 30% extra for convenience and LEDs. Amazon customer. Number 5. Good headphone stand. Kirsty. 5-star. I'm pleased with the sturdiness of this headphone stand. The outlets for chargers are great too. I wondered if the lights at the bottom would be too much, but they make the whole setup more cheerful. I've already bought a second one, Kirsty. To read all the reviews, click the link in the description below.